Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. For today's episode, we are going to share with you our very own recipe of lamb and chicken mandi. Mandi is an Arabic dish made from rice, meat, and a mixture of mild but intense spices. If you want to learn how to make this, then keep on watching. Start off by mixing Achuete powder and saffron in a small bowl with hot water. We're gonna need this later for the marinade and also to flavor and color our basmati rice. Then in a separate bowl, add salt, paprika, Arabic spice mix, onion powder, olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a little bit of the Achuete saffron mixture. Mix it all together, and this will be our marinade. Place your chicken and lamb in a tray and add the marinade using a silicone brush. When you're done, cover it up and let it marinate for about an hour. While marinating, we can also start preparing our other ingredients. So first, just roughly chop an onion. We are going to use this later for garnish and to also add a little bit along with the meat in the oven tray. And also simply chop the edges of the garlic. Now let's prepare the tray. Add in the spices, which are the bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, and peppercorns, along with the onion and garlic. And then just lay the lamb and chicken on top of the spices. On top, just sprinkle in some black pepper. And then cover it up again and let it marinate for a few minutes. While the meat is marinating for the second time, Let's now fry the onions just until they turn golden brown. While the onions are cooking, prepare the basmati rice by washing it until the water becomes clear. Then soak it for at least 30 minutes. Now our onions are done. You can definitely fry them more, but this is okay for us already. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and after a few minutes, it's finally time to put the tray in the oven. Let it cook for about 2 hours or more. After 2 hours, if it's still a little too stiff, what you can do is let it cook further for another hour or so until it becomes tender. While we wait for the chicken and lamb to cook, let's prepare our basmati rice. So first, you wanna saute dried lemon, fried onions, garlic, green peppers, bay leaves, peppercorns, and cloves. And then just add in your 4 cups of basmati rice. We also added 1 Knorr cube and a little Arabic spice mix. Now, add water just enough to cover the rice. When it comes into a boil, lower the heat and cover the pot with foil and the lid. Now let's make the salsa that pairs very well with the mandi. So first, just chop a tomato into cubes. As well as your green peppers. And also garlic. Also add in fish sauce and fresh lemon juice. And to top it all off, add in your mint. Now you can check your rice. If it's soft, fluffy, and yummy, then you're good to go. Now it's finally time to plate. First, just add in your bed of rice. Then on top, lay the chicken and lamb. And to top it all off, add your garnish. And we're finally done! And this concludes our 16th episode. When you can, please give this delicious Arabic dish a try and let us know down in the comments. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!